Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video, and tonight what I want to go over basically is the different steps that I take to generate a full-time income online. The reason why I decided to do this video is because a lot of people want to earn a full-time income from home and they're not really familiar or understand the steps that it takes in order to build success online. And I think that's really important, knowing what to do when you get online and the steps that you need to take to build the full-time income and the consistency that's needed is very important. So what I honestly suggest for people to do is when you come online that you really take a look at how much time you have to dedicate to your business, whatever business that you're involved in. Make sure that the business that you're involved with is legitimate. Not only that, that it makes payments and that you see other people that are being successful with this program. So what I want to do is basically start off with who I am and why I feel the need to share this information. I am a single mom of two. Again, my name is Amanda Ray. I started looking for online success in 2015, and I really was struggling online, okay? I had a hard time really understanding what to do and how to do things. Sorry, I was interrupted, but yeah, 2015, I was pretty much searching and starting my online journey, and I was joining a lot of programs, but what I know was the problem is that I was listening to a lot of people that were telling me how easy and how simple it was, but they weren't showing me really exactly what to do. And as simple as people may say that their system is, none of them is 100% simple, okay? Not only that, it's not even that the programs is not simple. The work that has to go into creating the full-time income, that sometimes is not as simple as it seems to be, especially when you have a sponsor that throws you to the wolves, which basically means they tell you to get into the system. The system will tell you the way everything works. Everybody doesn't learn the same, okay? And I'm one of those people. I don't learn like everyone else. I don't pick up information and I don't process information like everyone else. So when I join a program, sometimes I do need a little assistance from my sponsor. And that doesn't mean to bother that person day in and day out, but basically go through the training that is provided to you and then let your sponsor pretty much fill in the gaps of things that may come across a little bit confusing, okay? Because like I said before, and even with children, no two children learn the same. Everybody learns different. You have 27, and that's why with the public school system, like you have 27 kids in a class and everyone has a different, right? But you have to follow one style of learning because you got one teacher that's trying to figure out a style that fits for everybody, and that everybody is not able to fit in the same box, okay? It just doesn't work that way. So what I started to do is basically when I joined the program that I was really interested in, I really stopped focusing on it making the money. I just started focusing on learning the program, what I needed to do in order to build success with that program, and what it was going to take, how much time it was going to take, how much money was it going to take, how much of a learning curve was it going to take, okay? And that's what we're going to go over today. So what I want to show you is basically, this system that I'm using called the Power Lead system. And for those that don't know, the Power Lead system is basically a marketing tool, okay? I've earned close to $60,000 for the year with the system. And that was a lot for me because I've never earned a lot of money with any system. And the other thing is that it wasn't never consistent. It was not consistent. I would earn a few dollars here and there, but it was never consistent enough for me to be like, okay, I'm going to leave my job. I could do this full time. This is going to allow me to travel the world. I'm going to be able to and just run traffic. You know, I never had that. So, you know, just really quick, log into my account to just show you guys this is real and what I'm saying is the truth. Okay, going into my Power Lead system account, I'm at $58,000 for the year, okay? And then just for last year, I already made close to $10,000, okay? And this is using one system. And what I do is basically anything that I want to promote online, I'm using the same system, okay? It's one system that just pushes out commissions for everything that I do, okay? And what I'm going to show you what I mean by that. with the Power Lead system, you can connect any business to this system and basically run traffic to it, and it converts as is, which means you don't need no extra stuff. You don't, you just plug into the system and you get started and you run traffic. And for all of my platinum members, my MTI members, I set up the funnel for you. So once your funnel is ready to go, you're just running traffic to that funnel. And these are all of the different businesses that they have that you can connect to this system. And one of the businesses that I have connected to here is American Bill Money. American Bill Money is a postcard program that I've been involved with for a long time. And right here goes the business. So I'm almost for sure just about any business that you may be affiliated with will be in this list, okay? And not only that, if you don't have a business, you can just promote the Power Lead system and run traffic to the Power Lead system, okay? So it works in two ways. There's two things that you can do with this. So they have a getting started button. Okay, so I think I just lost I lost service for a little minute, but I'm back. It looks like I'm back. Okay, so what I was saying basically is, hold on one second, guys. Okay, so with this system, what you can actually do is you can go in and you can come in at any of these levels, okay? Hold on one second, guys. Okay, so I'm back. Okay, so what you can do is you can come in at any of these levels. And like I said before, depending on the level you come at, determines how much money you're going to make. At the gold level is a $53 monthly payment. You're going to get unlimited $20 commissions. At the diamond level is a one-time payment of $147. You're going to get unlimited $100 commissions. The platinum level is a one-time payment of $497. You get unlimited $400 commissions. And at the Master Traffic Institute level, it's a one-time payment of $1497, allowing you to get unlimited $1,000 commissions. And what's going to happen is at these different levels, it really determines how much money you bring in. If you are running traffic and people only have the opportunity to purchase the gold level from you, it's going to take longer to get to where you need to be because you're only allowed to make $20 residual commissions at this level. At the diamond level, again, $100 commissions. So if you bring in 2 people a week, you're only making $200. Okay, so it really is worth it to go big because then you have the option and you have the chances, more likelihood of earning more money based off of the amount of traffic that you're running and what level you are at. Okay, so how much traffic should I run when I start this business opportunity? It's really up to you. Weekly, I would say anywhere between $75 to $150 to start off and scale up as you earn more money. The thing is that with this system, in order for you to be successful, it has to be consistent traffic that you're pumping to your funnel. If it's not consistent, you're not going to have consistent results, okay? Again, with the system too, you're going to have access to different trainings. Every time you upgrade your trainings, your levels. I'm sorry, you upgrade these levels, you're going to get access to different training modules that's going to help you and benefit you by giving you access to traffic strategies that's going to just allow you to utilize the system in a more precise way and to get the traffic that you need in order to take this thing to the next level. So someone that comes in at the highest level is going to get traffic from 6, 7, and 8-figure earners that's going to show them pretty much how to put this on autopilot and how to build that traffic over time so that you can earn as much as you want, and you could basically use different strategies to bring in consistent leads and traffic to your business. Okay, so if you want to learn more information about the Power Lead system, you're ready to get started, you've been looking at this opportunity for a while and really not sure if this is something that you want to do, I highly suggest you get involved, because like I said, if you even go through my YouTube channel and you look at some of the business opportunities I've promoted, I've never promoted anything like the Power Lead system, because I've never seen anything convert like the Power Lead system. Not this consistent, and it's a program that's extremely duplicatable. Okay, so that's what I love about it. So if you want more information, my information is in the description below. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And what I'm going to do is, for all of my signups, I'm going to make sure that I set up a one-on-one coaching with you to get you started, give you the ins and outs of the business, how to get started, how much traffic you're going to run based off of your budget, and make sure that you have all the tools that you need in order to be successful with this system. So thanks again for watching my video, and have a great night.